Hello everyone. Today we continue our lecture. And today we talk about the Chinese character whose sound is bian. Okay, you see the 12 characters have the sound bian. Okay, the first tone has 5 characters. Okay, bian. The second tone bian. It's 2 characters. Okay, the third one, okay, have 5 characters. So we start from the bian. Okay, this is bian. So this is bian. This character has 2 parts. Okay, this part means identify. Okay, this middle part means hair. Okay, so his meaning means use a hair to form a cross rope. Okay, like a bride. So his original meaning is to form a hair rope. Okay, second meaning to form a hair whip. Bian. This is another bian. Okay, it's another bian. This character has 2 parts. Okay, so this part means the parties involving the criminal, the plaintiff, and the defendant. Okay, this is the middle part, means words, litigation. So his meaning means debate both the plaintiff and the defendant with ancient trial proceedings. Okay, first meaning, okay, 2 sides involve criminal, plaintiff, and defendant. Second meaning, verb, analysis, and argumentation. Okay, there's another bian. This means debate. Okay, so this character has 2 parts. Okay. This part means criminal, plaintiff, and defendant. This part means a judge. This is judge. Sits there. So the judge sits there to hear the plaintiff and defendant statements. So made a judgment. Okay. So his first meaning means torture in order to decide case clues, find clues. Second meaning means verb, analysis, and judge. Okay, bian. This is another bian. Okay, so his left part means people, his right part means replace. Okay, so his meaning means philosophy, metabolism. Okay, the P, your book, that's bian. Okay, so his original meaning means physiological metabolism. Okay, fancy, urination. Second meaning, fancies, urine. Third meaning, relax, comfortably. Fourth meaning, easy to get a chance, relaxed state. Fifth meaning, conjunction, linking relationships. Sixth meaning, easily, adverb. Bian. This is bian, another bian. This bian means, see, this character has 2 parts. The top part means a pet. Okay, this is a pet. The bottom part means a pet. So his meaning, the training the pet, so he may change his habits. Okay, so his first meaning, pet training to make it change habits. Second meaning, to change, to different from the original. Okay. Third meaning, turning point in the incidents. Okay, that's third tone. Okay, you see, this one has 2 parts. The left part means currency. The right part means leg. So leg currency. economic value. So make it impairment, make it lack of economic value. Okay. First meaning impairments, make it lack of economic value. Second meaning to blame, criticism. Third meaning demotion. Okay. Bian. It's another bian. See, this character has also two parts. Okay, this part means household. This part means books. Bamboo, lettering bamboo. So his meaning means hanging in the doorway. So the engraves names of elegant language of the head household. So, yeah. You see, so his first meaning description of the head of household name. Okay. Second meaning means why and sin adjective. Okay. Bian is the first one. Is bian. See, the top part. This character has two parts. The top part means people. The bottom part means armed strike. So his meaning is ancient light punishment, punished by the whipping. Okay. The first meaning punishment by whipping. Okay. Second meaning rope-like instrument with a whip. Okay. Third meaning the rope. Okay. It's another bian, which means side. Okay. This is bian. This character has four parts. Okay. So the left part. So the right part. The right part means the nose. Okay. The second part means hole, cave. The last part means square, prisoner. So the meaning of this word means tattoo on the offender's face, okay, and exile to the far mountains. Okay. So his first meaning, the prisoner exiled to the distant place. Second meaning, far border, the border zone. Okay. Third meaning, the outer edge of the scene. First meaning, side address, a direction. Fifth meaning, a verb. Okay. This is another bian. So this bian means bat. Okay. The left part means insects, small animals. The right part means flat scene. So his means bat. Okay. It's another bian. Okay. So this bian has two parts. The left part means stone. Okay. Stone needles. The right part means human body. Okay. So he means with a special stone or jade scribing, rub the body print to make you feel better. It's a treatment. Okay. It's like acupuncture. Okay. Bian. Another bian. This character has two parts. Okay, the left part means books, bamboo. Right part means tie it with rope. Okay, so his meaning with to tie the bamboo books together into a booklet. Okay, the first meaning to tie the bamboo books together. Second meaning text message organization and processing. Third meaning outlay organization arrangement. First meaning creation and manufacture. Fifth meaning verb rope. Sixth meaning more than article chapter and text units. Okay, thank you for watching.